Hey, this will be a video chart on CBYI. Had a bunch of people asking for this one the past couple of days. The first request started to come in there, and I just couldn't get to it. And I should have probably bought some shares too, as you know. Besides being a great example of a volume alert, you can see that the price has done very well since then. But it is what it is, and the chart definitely deserves a video to get things updated, as there's clearly quite a few people starting to follow this one. The reason I'm having to scrunch up the chart like this is because with the recent move, we have to go back quite a bit of ways into the chart's history in order to find the supports and future resistances and stuff like that. That is the reason for having to kind of pull up such a multi-month chart, like as you can see down here. So let's first just start off with the simple fact of volume. I don't mean to state the obvious, but you can see that volume is basically as big as it's been in many months. Here was some decent volume, but obviously this volume was even bigger than this. So like I said, to state the obvious, something good must be going on. I don't know if the company's been releasing news or some filings or something, but who really cares at the end of the day? All you should really care about is the stock getting volume, and is the price reacting accordingly? And the answer to both of those is yes, and that's how you make money, in terms of keeping things black and white. So volume check, nice price reaction check. The chart's looking good on those two fronts. So supports, where are the supports levels sitting? The first support level is just simply going to be at 0006. Where is this level coming from? Well, you can see that it was a previous high. So this is going to be one of the areas of support. But at the same time, it's not a must-hold level. This is more of an ideal, meaning, if this level doesn't hold, then, you don't need to quite freak out or anything like that. The reason being, there is a much more important level, and this will be the must-hold level, and that is here at 0004. Now, where am I getting this level from? I'm going to change this to extra thick line to remind everybody this is a very important level. But if we look back through the price history, you can see it was resistance here a couple more times, here it was again, and then you can see when the price did break above it, the bears have tried to push the price back down below it, but 0004 has held very nicely, and that's what we want to see continue to happen over time. So once again, 0006, the ideal support level to hold, but 0004 being the must hold. Now in terms of resistance levels, we're actually going to have to scrunch things down even more for this to make sense, but if we go back here quite a bit of ways, you can see that this level right here at 0.001 was a key area of support, and not necessarily a surprise considering the 0.001 is usually a psychological support and resistance, but this is going to be our main level of resistance now, and you can see that, like I said, it acted as support. When the price fell below it, it turned into a resistance, and then that also matches basically right up with this orange line here, which is the 200-day simple moving average, valued at the same thing. So 0.001 is going to be a very crucial level. It might not be the easiest thing to get through, but the good news is with those stubborn levels, the more stubborn it is, usually the bigger the breakout. So that'll be the key level to watch next week, is going to be the 0.001 resistance level. So if there are any other questions on the chart, please let me know. If not, I'd encourage you to check out bullwarriorstocks.com. If you go there and sign up for the free newsletter, you'll be sent a free ebook. And with your newsletter subscription, you'll get chart setups, trade ideas, educational pieces, all sorts of things from penny stocks up to big boards. So there's a good variety, something for everybody. It is all free. We've been making some good money together on our alerts. So I'd encourage you to go to the website, sign up, and see what it's all about. One more time, this was CBYI. Thanks for listening.